Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Gemma if you didn't already know, and if you did know, hi, my name is Gemma and welcome back. Today I'm in a completely new place. This is my new place. I have moved yet again, but yes, this is my new place and I'm filming in front of the infamous olive wall. I hate it, but we're gonna make it work. Today I actually have a really anticipated unboxing. Moco Moco bunnies, JSK in yellow. I've wanted this dress ever since the release, and the yellow colorway was so popular and I just haven't been able to find it secondhand for a reasonable price. I actually reserved my shopping service to actually get it. However, because it was so popular, she wasn't able to get my preferred cut and colorway, and I have just basically been chasing it since. And luckily one of my friends messaged me on Instagram and was like, isn't this the cut and colorway that you want? And it's pretty close to retail price, isn't it? And I was like, yes, do I get it? Should I get it right now? And so I got it. I already have the matching freaking head bow. So like, I deserve this dress. This dress belongs in my collection. Now she's finally here. She's home where she belongs. Also, I just got my nails done. I don't know if you can see, I'm kind of like fighting the lighting here. It's a little awkward. Like, hopefully you can see my nails. I haven't really gotten super into nails. Like, I was never really super into them until I got Japanese gel deco nails, and then ever since that amazing experience, I've just been like, I just want kawaii little fingies all the time. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into this unboxing. It's actually an unbagging because we got a bag. So let's snip it. A snip. A snip. Ooh, hello, welcome home. Stuffed. Oh yes, very soft. It's like a very soft pastel yellow. Oh wow, it's very tightly wrapped. Bonk. You. Ooh, always gotta go for the sniff. What does that smell like? A closet? Here she is. It's new. It's basically new. I think they only tried it on once. Oh, it's so cute. I'm just obsessed with yellow colorways as of late. Look at how adorable. Let's put it on a hanger and then I will go over the details of the dorans. Alright, so if you can't tell already by the sound, it's polyester. We've got this really cute layered lavender polka dot bow, which is detachable at the front. We've got these thin JSK straps that are adjustable. There are 2 buttonholes. And it also comes with this little detachable decoration. It says bunny, angelic pretty toys, and it has this like a little necklace clasp. So you can take it off and put it somewhere else if you like. And the bodice, of course, has all this lace, but it also has pink heart buttons and small lavender bows. Yes, the bow at the waist is sewn on. It is not detachable. And the back, you have partial shirring, and there is a corset lacing with the same pastel yellow colorway. The waist ties you got right here, which have the pom-pom trim at the end of them, which is really cute. The buttons for the waist ties are yellow, small heart buttons. At the bottom, you've got this pom-pom trim at the bottom. It's so cute. And how many pockets do we got? Let me see. 1 pocket. There's a zipper on this side, so there is only 1 pocket. And the print itself is all stuffed bunnies, and I have ribbons. This is the yellow colorway, and it has a lot of purple accents. It has some pink accents. It has some pastel blue accents, so I think it would be really cute to cord it with any of those colors. But yeah, I'm excited. I actually even have the matching jewelry that I'm wearing right now for this collection. So obviously she was meant to be with me, and now she's finally here. So I am very excited about Moco Moco bunnies. Moco Moco bunnies. These Moco Moco bunnies. That is Moco Moco Bunnies JSK in the yellow colorway. And now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little cheeky try on. I'll show you what it looks like on. Alright, so I have the dress on now and I have a few things to say. It's small. It is small. I loosened up the corset for the shearing to expand a few times in the back, and even then the zipper right when it hits the waist is like, you kind of gotta really like whoop. Yeah, it's just quite a small dress, but it is on and it looks really good. It meets all my expectations. It's a polyester AP dress. I have a lot of dresses like this, so yeah, I'd say it meets my expectations. I'm excited to create a full-on cord in it and take some cord shots. If I do, I will, oh, hello, beep beep. If I do, I will pop up some pictures here of a completed coordinates. But yeah, I love it. It's basically exactly how I expected it to be, so heck yeah. And now I just feel so good that it's finally here in my collection, because it was just like mentally there. I was just in denial that I didn't have it yet. But yes. I also have a couple more dresses in the mail, so look forward to more unboxings. Sneak peek, one is Sugary Carnival and the other is Little Bunny Strawberry, so do stay tuned for more future unboxings. And if you have any other suggestions on other videos I can do comment them below. I love hearing your feedback. Also, some of you are curious as to what I'm doing and why I'm not uploading so much. Is because I am in school full-time. I am a graphic designer, so if you're curious as to like what a day in the life as a graphic design student might look like, I can definitely do like a vlog style if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing so you can see those future Lolita unboxings. And yeah, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you keep on smiling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Like, you know, it's like zoom, then you're like, yeah, yeah, and then you gotta go zoop. So